Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing. I just received my bag that I ordered, and I mentioned this bag in all my previous videos and on my Instagram stories, so you guys might already know what kind of bag that I'm going to be unboxing. But before I give it away, let's just get right into it because it's getting late. I've never filmed this late, but the sun is going down. I'm not going to have this good lighting or somewhat decent lighting, so yeah, let's get right into it. But before we get started, hello, my name is Scotto. If you're new here, I like doing videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit my subscribe button and join the fam. So yeah, it came in this humongous box. Let me just make sure I'm not gonna give away my address, but it literally came in this humongous box. I'm gonna open it for you guys. Oh geez, I love like Louis Vuitton boxes. How cool is that? It says Louis Vuitton right there. And oh, I gotta put this down, guys. Here is the big box. Put that down. Okay, so this is the big box that it comes in. It is ginormous. Let's see if I can open this on camera. Oh, okay, I didn't receive a ribbon, but someone did tell me that they were using the ribbon to make face masks. I don't know if that's still what they're doing, but I'm totally fine with it. It's fine. Here is my receipt. So I'll go through this quickly because it's boring. Just has the thank you, but I just noticed that this is different. I think this is in Spanish. I'm not really sure, but I remember they just only used to say the thank you note in English, but now they have it in a different language. I don't know if it's Spanish or French, I don't know, but I noticed that was different. I haven't ordered on the Louis Vuitton website in such a long time. I usually go through my essays that I find, but here's also my receipt right here, and then just the return label. So that's what is in here, but it's totally boring. I know you guys want to see the bag. So before we get inside of the bag, can you guys guess? Do you want to comment down below and guess what this may be? Here she is. I'm gonna put the box down. This is huge. Right there. I don't think you, oh, you guys can see it. Okay, good. Okay, here is the dust bag that says Louis Vuitton. How cute. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. What it ended up getting was, drum roll please. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? This is the Louis Vuitton cans bag. Guys, you have no idea how bad I wanted this bag. I literally sold all my other luxury items to bring new luxury into my collection, and this was one of the bags that I have been after for such a long time. I just love how different and unique it is. Like, you do not see this kind of bag every day. It's like a bucket kind of bag, and it's just so stunning. Like, all little details of it is just so stunning. Okay, so it is in the reverse monogram with the black trimming. I love the black trimming and the fact that this bag doesn't have vachetta leather on it because it makes it a worry-free kind of bag. But also the gold hardware, like they have these little claps right here for the strap, and I'll get into the bag shortly. But yeah, these little claps thing, and then it says like the LV on it, if you guys can see that. Get a close up. There we go. I think you guys can see that, but it's so beautiful. And then the back of the bag has this little it looks flat, it's like flush against your body, which is really cool because I feel like it would be uncomfortable if it was just round. So it's really pretty genius that they thought of doing this for the bag. And this leather feels soft, but it also feels durable, so it won't like scratch easily. And then at the bottom of the bag, it has 4 feet and also the reverse monogram. And also I love this bag because of the top. It has this like the regular monogram canvas, which is really nice. And overall this bag is stunning. But let's get into the inside. Here's what the inside looks like. It is beautiful. It is this suede interior, and this one was made in France, which is like amazing, and I love that. So this is the interior. So what you get in the inside is this care booklet right here. It just tells you about the leather and stuff, not important. And then it has this black strap that goes with the bag, which is really nice because it is adjustable, so you can do it however you like and the way that it fits you well. So I love that, and I love how the strap is not Vachetta once again, so it's a worry-free kind of bag. And then the next thing that I'm pulling out is the key and the lock that comes with the bag, because you can lock this bag if you want to, but I feel like you wouldn't have to, but it's an option. What I also noticed about these little bags that I've never noticed before, especially when I got my Speedy, is that the little pouch is separated so the key and the lock don't like clash against each other and scratch each other. So if you guys can see that, there's like little pockets for each individual. So my padlock was in this one, and then the keys are in this one right here. So here they are. So you can lock it if you wanted to, or you can, I've seen a lot of people doing this, is put this on like a little necklace and have it as like a necklace, which is really cool, unique. And I know some companies that do that with like vintage locks, but yeah, that's what's in there. And then I also have the coated cowhide little thing that tells you of the leather. And then I also have the SKU number if you guys want to look it up. Here it is. It is available online. When I know when it first came out, it was so hard to get, and I've watched videos on this, and essays were telling them it was like a 40-week wait for this bag, which is insane. But yeah, now it's available, so if you would like to get it, it is available online. But yeah, that's the interior of the bag. It is suede, and I thought this bag was smaller in person, but I am so shocked in how big it is. And I will do like a what's in my bag kind of video and a review eventually on this bag and ways you can style it and all that. If you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Cans bag, and I am totally obsessed and so happy that I finally got my hands on this little baby. Totally worth selling my other things for this, because I really came to a realization once LV did the 2 price increases. I was like, what the heck, might as well get this bag while it is this price and doesn't go up any higher, because I mean, if it went up any higher, I wouldn't buy it, honestly, because it's way too much money. And price of this bag, I could get 2 bags. So I just wanted to get it before, who knows, LV decides to do another price increase, which is crazy that they did too, especially during this time. But anyway, yeah, on the front also it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and on these little buttons right here, it says Louis Vuitton. So the little extra detailing of this bag is just stunning. It has this top handle, which you can wear on the crook of your arm if you wanted to. There's just a lot of ways you can wear this bag, and it's just so unique, and I really love it, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, that is my little unboxing for today. The sun has almost gone all the way down, so I'm gonna close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I did my giveaway video, my last video, so if you want to enter to win the giveaway of the Louis Vuitton key pouch that I got for you guys, go ahead and enter that giveaway. I have a post on Instagram that you can follow the rules, or you can watch my previous video, yesterday's video, and enter that way. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.